Today we are making the easiest, creamiest chicken spaghetti and totally from scratch with no canned soup. It is so delicious and so easy. The recipe is in the description box, so let's get started. Start by cooking your pasta until it's just al dente. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and cook the onion and bell pepper for 4 to 5 minutes until it is softened. Add the drained, jarred mushrooms and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the garlic and cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon of butter to the skillet and then sprinkle in the flour and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Slowly stir or whisk in the chicken broth and milk. Bring it to a simmer, turn down the heat, and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until it has thickened. Turn off the heat and add the sour cream. Stir it for 2 to 3 minutes until it is almost melted. Then add the paprika, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Add half the cheese to the skillet and stir until it is melted. Then add the cooked pasta and shredded chicken and toss to combine everything well. Transfer everything to a greased 9x13 baking dish and top with the remaining shredded cheese. Then bake at 350 for about 25 minutes. And look at this, creamy, cheesy, and cozy, and no canned soups anywhere. Save this for a weeknight dinner. It's a hit every single time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.